I'm Sydney. I just turned 24, and to celebrate, I pulled together 7 of my closest friends to go skiing for the very first time. I have literally been dreaming about taking a trip like this for years, and I finally made it happen. Even though I did have multiple breakdowns before we even hit the road. But all of the stress was worth it because we were able to spend the weekend of a lifetime exploring, creating new memories, and reconnecting with friends. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hi guys, welcome to Sydney's YouTube channel. We're currently in the middle of nowhere for a ski trip. Oh, I hear noises.
It's her birthday.
Happy birthday! Love that. We made it to Lorraine!
Y'all, we're here at Walmart. Let's get what we need for this freaking trip. Okay? Ooh. The drive was giving treacherous. No, it wasn't. I'm lying. It's gonna be a long night. So first we need to go into Walmart and just pick out what we want to eat for ourselves individually. Because I said, I'm not about to get that for you, Bookie. You need your snacks for you individually. Oh, I should have got a basket.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, I didn't do a tour. Are you doing work? Oh, I literally.
This looks so aggressive.
Okay, I'm whispering right now, but I made bags for everybody, so I'm about to give them the bags.
So we go to Daniela's house.
Oh my god, they're cute! Thank you so much for coming!
You know, like, when you like propose to like your bridesmaids? Yeah,
Oh my god! Oh my god, are you crying? What the world? Don't cry!
Everybody pour their mixers right now.
Alright, has everyone poured a mixer?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh shoot. This is how everybody blacks out.
No, this is dangerous. Come on, rain, rain, go away. That's what I'm at.
All I wanna do.
I can read your aura. Get that skill from my mama. And I can make you better, boy. So take this risk if you wanna.
I feel like the last shot I took was a bad idea. I don't know why I did it. It was just for fun.
When did it even happen?
In the hot tub. I don't know.
When did you do that?
I don't know.
I missed that.
Good morning. It's day 2 of our trip, and we're about to go skiing. Now, I've never been skiing. So this is gonna be an exciting adventure for everybody. I started putting on my base layers, and I'm so nervous because I don't want to get cold. Like, getting cold is my worst fear. So, I don't know what to do about that one. Okay, let me get changed really quickly so that I also have time to eat food. I can't decide if I should do 1 pair of leggings or 2. Like I said, I don't want to get cold. Y'all, we're fully dressed, or I'm fully dressed. Let me show you. The room is messy. Don't let us not talk about it. This is the base layer. I'm deathly afraid of getting cold. I'll probably put another top on just because I'm that scared. 3 tops on now. Hi guys, welcome back to Sydney's YouTube channel. We are back.
You can't say hi and welcome back to City's YouTube channel every single time. You can't say that every single
I don't know if it's one video or like a full part series, bro.
It's one video.
Okay, anyways, we are on the way to Walmart because we, as women, we forget things, so we need to get things. Not all women are forgetful.
That's a birthday girl. Say something, birthday girl.
We're going to freaking Walmart. I need sugar in my coffee. This is really the only reason we're going. I cannot drink coffee without sugar, and I cannot ski and have a good day without my morning coffee. So that's why we're going.
Words of wisdom. Do not ski without your morning coffee.
Amen.
Period.
Time for breakfast. Oh, I think that she's not flossing. No, because that would be good as hell. Yeah. I think that one right there. Get that 8. Get that one. Get that one.
Smile.
So much is happening.
It's good, right?
Such a lady, but I'm dancing like a hoe. Okay, we have to be at the ski resort. Like, we have to be leaving for the ski resort now. So we're rush packing all of my things. I think we're gonna be probably like 15 minutes late, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. I'll just run. I'll drive fast. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Everything's fine. My goggles in my bag. Make sure I have my hat and my gloves. Hello. Give me a rowdy song. Maybe. Okay, we made it up the hill, but there was nowhere to park. So we have to walk all the way down the hill to check in. And I got my platform Uggs on like an idiot. Like a freaking idiot. Oh, do I have my phone? I'm like a bird, I wanna fly away. What?
I overheard her, just say that they could move stuff for that guy and his like 3 kids, but they're gonna charge them for the change. So I'm not sure if they're gonna do that for us. But we are not little kids.
We've had an eventful last 2 hours. Or hour. We've had an eventful last hour. We were so late. But the lady changed our rental time, so now it's smooth sailing. Hopefully. Okay, this is all of us right before we lesson in ski or snowboard. How is everybody feeling?
So excited.
So excited. Yay! Ready. The next clip is like a sick ass ski montage.
I need you to edit some song like something.
Everybody practice. Pizza, French fry.
Okay, everybody go like this. Everybody look in my camera. Everybody do it.
Guys, bring your heads, you weirdos.
Team on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team.
Yeah! That's so cute! That's so cute.
Wait, let me take the last.
Yeah.
Everyone's like a hockey team. We're like, yeah.
Wait, let's
Break! Sick. That shit looks cool as heck. Yeah. Put that shit in sports mode. You're literally gonna be locked in. Locked in.
We cannot escape. We cannot come out.
Can't y'all see? I'm on a black diamond. Yeah. I'm on the black diamond. No. Okay. I just learned how to stop, and I'm feeling encouraged. I'm feeling powerful. Oh, get it, Josie. Get it, Josie. Hit it, y'all. Hit it, yeah. Pizza.
Sydney, how does it feel to be a professional skier?
Great.
Ooh, this view, eating, devouring.
Right?
Per, what do you have to say to your followers, your listeners?
I have to say,
Don't poke me with the stick.
I have to say, do what you want to do. I told myself I wanted to ski, and here I am.
Purred. Guys, we were best friends in college, and now we're skiing in our 20s.
I know. Not that you guys aren't enough. It's just.
About to go down.
Yeah. my goodness.
We made it all the way up the lift,
Yes.
and we're about to
We
ski
have to go
down.
Okay, let's make sure we have all the correct. You want me to follow you?
No.
Okay.
No, not really.
Okay.
I feel like you're more
I don't
confident.
want to get there and you fall in.
No.
We'll stop. We'll take your.
No, I won't. I don't think I will fall. I'm good. That feels so freaking cool. This is so much fun. That was fun. That was easy. That was easy. Okay, last one of the day. Last one of the day before I go inside and stop breathing. Okay, last one. See you at the bottom. Yes, shredding. You ate that up. You ate that up. Last one of the day. Last one of the day. I feel great. Oh my goodness. Whew. That was slow, but it feels great. We're skiers.
Yeah.
We're skiers. We did it. Where's the other one? The last one standing. Always. It's always this four. That doesn't feel wrong at all. That feels extremely apt. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, Bookies. Hey. Hi. We met with the rest of the group, so now we're about to eat. I'm so hungry. All of it, that long day of shredding, I just so hungry.
See what that rental place looks like. I go back. Well, okay, let's be equal then.
Last day, best day. Last night after the skiing thing, we all came home and promptly went into our rooms and did not talk to anybody for like hours, until midnight, truly. And then we woke up and started socializing. But since we started socializing so late, we did not go to sleep until like 5 a.m. So now it's 9 and I hear no signs of life at all. We may have to go wake them up.
How did she make it all the way outside? He was holding us behind. He was struggling with capital stuff.
I know.
That baby bunny.
Yeah, he fell within like the first like 5 minutes.
Okay. But I can't stand. Okay. Good job. Happy birthday! Good job. Are they ugly? Oh, the last one is cute. That was a good idea. The crouch is cute. It's very civil.